Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I'm going to do a traditional fall tumbler, kind of like a flannel glitter look to it. So let's jump right in. I created this template and it's just a bunch of squares to fit all the way around my tumbler. And I did 1.173 by 1.148 squares. So technically it's not a real square, but whatever. And then I'm going to use just two glitters. I'm going to use both by Peach Yellow glitters. It's Boudoir and Jerk Face. And then I'm going to mix the two together. We're going to do a buffalo plaid flannel. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to my tumbler. I've already prepped it, sanded it, cleaned it, and I'm going to struggle putting this template on. There's no doubt about it. So watch me struggle as I put this on. Once I'm happy with the placement, I go ahead and I roll the rest of the template on, and I am just using stencil vinyl here. You can use stencil vinyl or a removable vinyl. So I'm going ahead and I noticed that it's off just a little bit, but it's no big deal. I'm able to hide that once I get all the glitter on. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my transfer tape. Kind of slowly. This is sped up, of course, because I think I have such a high tack transfer tape that it wants to always pull off the vinyl. So once I get that done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with my darkest color first, but I'm going to go ahead and mix up the two for when I go to use it. I'm doing about 5 milliliters of Boudoir and 5 milliliters of Jerk Face and mixing those really well together. And then I will set this glitter aside until I'm ready for it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the B's, which stands for Boudoir, from the tumbler. And then I'm going to go ahead and paint using a burgundy-ish color, acrylic paint, and paint those squares and use that as my adhesive to put on the glitter. And I didn't show you, but I do end up doing Boudoir on the very bottom of the tumbler also. I'm going to let that dry and then take off the M's mixed. And here I'm just using kind of like a hazelnut color paint, and I'm going to do all of these spaces that are done. This is what it's looking like so far. And very carefully now, I'm going to take like a orangey peachy paint and paint all the squares to use Jerk Face. And I'm going to do that all over the tumbler. And once that's done, this is what we looking like. And I'm obsessed already. I'm going to go ahead, let this dry. I'm going to seal it 2 times using Rust-Oleum Clear Coat. And then I'm going to add 2 coats of epoxy. Once that is cured, and this is what we're with. And I decided I didn't want to outline each of the squares with vinyl. So I'm going to go kind of like a flannel does and go in between the darkest lines, if that makes sense. So the one that has the mixed and the Boudoir, as you can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to go ahead and add those up and down all the way around, just on the ones that have the Boudoir and the mixed. and then I'm going to go around just on those same ones. And I felt like this just helped it elevate the look a little bit better. And I'm going to go ahead and cut off all the excess vinyl, and then I will seal this with the CCDiy clear coat so that none of my vinyl lifts. Once that is done, I will give it one coat of epoxy. After that is done, it's time to go ahead and add my decal. I found this super cute decal on Creative Fabrica, and I just created a circle around the decal, just a little bit bigger than, I think I did about 3 inches here. So I'm placing that down, and then I am going to add the decal on top of it. And I'm using a Burgundy permanent vinyl. And these letters are so teeny tiny. I started weeding them like normal and saw very quickly that I was going to have issues. So I'm going to reverse weed it and then place it onto the circle and then do the weeding on the tumbler. And here I go, weeding the remaining part of this decal. And I think I lost my letter here, so I had to add it back on. I'm going to go ahead and weed out all the little pieces on the inside, and I also weed the leaf because it's more or less just an outline. And once I'm done with this, I do seal it once again with the CCDiy quick coat, give it 2 final coats of epoxy, and this is what we have. I absolutely am obsessed with this. I cannot wait to do more plaid with different color combinations. I just think it's absolutely perfect for fall, but this will be available on the website if you are interested. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.